Hey guys, welcome once again to my YouTube channel. This is Okemuti Fole, your favorite tech savvy. So guys, in this video I'm going to be showing you how you can increase your picture quality using artificial intelligence. Okay, so guys, let me show you an example of what I mean by that. Okay, so right now I'm going to my folder where I have the pictures I've downloaded, and I'll show you a particular picture, how it is currently and how it was when I downloaded it the first time. So looking at my screen right now, you're going to see this first picture you're seeing now is the one I enhanced using artificial intelligence, and then the one I'm going to show you next is the picture as at when I downloaded it the first time. You can see how blurry it is, and then you can see the one I enhanced the quality using AI. So guys, you can also see the design I made with it. It's so amazing. It's for my church, and you can see how amazing it looks. So guys, let me show you how to get started. Now, if you're new on this channel, please don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button, and also click on the notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. And if you're my returning subscriber, guys, I want to say thank you so much. So here is how to get started. You just need to head over to your browser, and the name of the website where I use is called pickwish.com. Okay, so I'm going to leave a particular link in the I will also leave the link in the comment section. So when you get to this website, you get to see a lot of features that this particular AI powered website has. Okay, aside from increasing your picture quality, it also helps you to remove background and then still maintain your picture quality. And also it has other features like being able to increase your portrait, also to your photo enhancement, your tools bars, and the rest of them. Purpose of this video, all I'm going to show you is how to use it to unblur your image, that is increase your image quality. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do that, and as well I'll show you how to also add background and remove background from your pictures using this particular website. So I just click on the unblur images, and it's going to bring us here. What I'm going to do next is to just click on the upload image, and then it's going to take us to where I'm going to look for my image that I want to use. So first of all, I want to try it with my own particular picture before showing you the other picture I used before now. So right here I just selected my picture, and then I'll wait for it to load for a while. After loading, and then it's going to show us the difference between the original picture and the one that has been enhanced using this particular tool. Okay, so you get to see the difference, and then you see for yourself why you need to use this particular tool to enhance your pictures. So just take a look at my screen, you get to see it. So right here I'm trying to show you the difference. You can see when you swipe to your left, you get to see the original picture. When you swipe to your right, you get to see the one that has been enhanced using AI. Okay, so I'm also going to try and see if I can zoom in so you get to see the picture very well. Okay, okay, so right now I'm trying to re-upload. So I click on the upload button you're seeing at the top so I can upload another picture. Okay, let me upload the main picture I used in trying this particular tool out the first time. So let me search for it. This is in my folder, and I'm just going to search for it right now. So you can see the picture here. This is the one that is very blur. I'm going to upload it and then see what the artificial intelligence tool is going to do for us. Now you're going to see the difference very much. The difference is going to be very clear in this particular picture I am uploading now. Okay, so right now you can see how clear it is. I'm also going to zoom in because I want you to see the difference very well. Okay, so you can see how clear it is, you can see how clean it is. You can see as I'm swiping to left and right, you get to see the difference, you get to see the transition from the blur part to the enhanced part. Okay, so this tool is really amazing. You can use it to do a lot of things apart from enhancing your picture quality. You can also use it to enhance or remove background from your pictures, and it will also help you to add another background to your pictures. Okay, so when you're done, just click on the download button, and you see that your design or your picture has been downloaded to your folder or your device, whatever it is you're using. So right here I'm also going to show you again how to use it to remove background from your pictures and then beautify the background of that particular image you remove picture from. So all you need is to come back to the website and then click on remove background. It's going to load as usual, and then you're going to select the picture you want to remove background from. So I'm still going to use this particular picture to show you this example and how it is done. So while it is loading, please don't forget to subscribe, like this video, click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this channel. So I'm going to select that particular picture I just downloaded now, and I'm going to upload it here. It's going to load as usual, and then it's going to show us the edited part, which is the background has already been removed. Okay, so as you can see, it's loading. So once it's 100%, you get to see the finished work, which you can use on anywhere you want to use it on. Okay, so if you're someone who you use your pictures, you normally use pictures that they don't have background to do your designs, then you can, I would advise you to use this particular website to work on your designs. It's going to make your designs to look really amazing, because the design I did today was really amazing. So whenever you're having network issues, all you need to do is to just re-upload and then give it some time to load, and you are good to go. Okay, so let's give it some time. It's loading. It's almost 100%. Once it is done, you get to see your finished work. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel. All right, subscribe if you haven't, and like this video. Okay, so you can see our finished work here. You can see the finished work here. So I just download it and then save it on my device, so in case I want to use it anywhere else, maybe I want to upload it to Canva, or upload it to Figma, or upload it to CorelDRAW, wherever it is I'm designing with. Okay, now that being said, you can also click on the edit button you're seeing there, so that you can edit it, add colors, add pictures to the background. Okay, for example, if you want to create a passport, assuming you don't have a passport, you can just snap a picture, come to this website, remove the background, and then go and add a color that you want to use for that particular passport. The passport could be a red background passport, a white background passport, a blue background. You can use the website to do it, and it's going to be amazing. So you can see on my screen right now, I'm trying to change the background and see what we've got. All right, and if I don't like these colors I'm seeing here, maybe I have a particular picture I want to use, I just go to my folder or my device, so I can add my own picture to it. Okay, I can add my own defined picture that I want to use. So that simply means if you're here in Nigeria, I can catapult you to abroad. I can take you to United Kingdom, okay, using this particular tool. That's funny, right? So that is how it's being done. Okay, so guys, don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you know you got value for this particular video. Subscribe, share this video, and as well, don't forget to click on notification bell so you'll be at alert whenever I drop a video on this, to download your finished work to your device. So you can see this is the edited work, and this is this is the one I added background to, this is the one I removed background, and this is the one I added a new background to. Okay guys, so I know you got value, so don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Subscribe if you haven't. Subscribe, and if you're my returning subscriber, guys, I thank you so much for watching this video.